In this tutorial, I will show you how to make an animation that you can put inside your video film. Let's say you want to have a car moving by in your video film. Just an animated car. I have a picture of one here. And I want to animate this. And I will add an animation. And I would like it to move. I just like it to move in a straight line. So this animation shows me where the car will start and where the car will stop. So I will take the starting point and move it out of the image. And then I will take the stopping point and move it where it used to be, here. After that, I will add another animation, and I think I'll just have it do a little screech, and then I will put that animation after the previous one. So, and I will then add another animation where I would like it to drive out of the screen again. So this was my starting point and this is my end point. So the end point I will take out of the animation and I will set it to start after the previous one. So now my example would look like this. And then, so now I have a moving car. But if I want to have this car moving right across another video I'm making, and you have a video editor that can handle, let's say, green screen effect, the only thing I now have to do is to take my background here and make my background green. If I now make a movie out of this video, I can now call this video car green. Right, so now I have a video with a car that moves with a green background. So now I am in my video editor and I can have any video clip I like. I can just take like a normal, just move down the sound here so you can't hear it. So this is just a video clip of some people clapping, but it could be me talking about something. And then I would like to put my car there. And I have a green car here. This is my green car. And I can now move it on top of the other video clip here. And in this program, I can edit some stuff with the video. I can do some different kind of things. I can even use chroma key, which is sort of fancy speak for green screen. And when I select the tolerance here, if I go all the way down, you can see the green screen. You don't want that. So you want to find a place sort of where the car is visible, but you can also see the clip behind it. So now I can just have my car move along over my video clip. And you can use this as an animation. Just use short pointed animations in PowerPoint and then put them into your video when you need them. It's as simple as that.